Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Yate today, a couple of random items here, a wooden kit for my stock that I keep in the car, things to keep me occupied when Nanny's visiting her friends or shopping, £1.50, that's reasonable. It's not much to it. I wonder if it's got any string in there to do the strings. Might be some in there. If not, I'll have to get some cotton. I'll stick that in the car. I look for things that will take about 10-20 minutes to put together. And then, yeah, this fella. I have it in the back of my mind that I've had one similar in the past. This one looked interesting. I don't think we can actually force the wheels round. But I can see we got a 5-volt charging socket there. But we don't know which way round it is, whether it's the pin in the middle is positive or the sleeve is positive. So we'll probably have to take it apart just to check before we plug anything into it. It doesn't do anything when I switch it on, but we clearly have sensors here and here and here and here. So I would guess he scuttles to one side until he sees something and then goes the other way until he sees something. Sort of object avoidance. I have a playlist for my object avoidance items, but I think, yeah, we will just take this apart so we can check which way the battery goes, so we don't try plugging it in and blowing it up. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, motor and gearbox. Okay, lithium-ion battery. So the negative of the battery goes to that track there, which goes along there to there. Oh, that wire just fell off, didn't it? That says E minus, so the white wire goes to E minus. Okay, bit of soldering to do there. But yeah, back to that track goes to that pin. The safest thing to do would be to put a meter on it and check. But that looks like the negative is the sleeve, the outer edge of the socket. Right, that's all falling apart. Nothing on the battery at all. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, so the center pin is the positive. Well, I had it on charge for a few minutes and we don't seem to get anything into there. What I'm going to do is desolder the battery so I can charge it in my hobby grade charger, and we'll put some connectors on there so I can temporarily connect in another battery and give it a test. Right, one of my favorite JST connectors, little LiPo battery. Okay, lift it up, switch it on. Okay, we have music as well. Right, so it appears to work with a separate battery. So I'll charge this one up again, see if it'll hold charge. And put it back in again. It's very tempting to rig this up so it's got a ordinary JST connector sticking out of it so we could charge it. Because if I take it back to a charity shop, it's no good to anybody who hasn't got the right connector to charge it with. Obviously it didn't have it when I bought it in the charity shop. You never get all the bits. Or I might just temporarily hang these wires out so we can put it back together and at least test it. We're getting some charge into it now. I had to fool it a little bit to begin with because it was so low. I had to tell it was nickel metal hydride first, just so the charger would put some power into it. But now I'm charging it properly. That's a lithium-ion battery. In case you didn't notice, this is a 14500, which means it's 14 millimeters diameter, 50 millimeters long. Same as a AA battery, but more than twice the voltage, nearly 3 times the voltage. And then I've soldered on a suitable connector so that I can charge it. Well, that's good. It says it's fully charged. So we'll plug it back in again and see if it works. Right. Plug that in there. Lift that up so it doesn't hit anything. Where was the on-off switch? I've forgotten. Down here. Oh, lights are flashing. Everything. Okay. So we'll put it all back together again. I'll leave my connectors on there for now until I decide what we're going to do about charging it properly. So yeah, we'll just reassemble it as it is for now. All back together with the temporary connector inside so we can take the battery out to charge it. I'll have to have a look online, see if I can get a suitable connector plug. It's a 4mm plug that we need to go in there. I could probably rig something up Yeah, I could. Whether I will or not, we'll see. Right, let's turn it on and see what happens. Yeah. Oh. Do that again. Yes, it does run away from me. But then it seems to attack me. Yeah, it does a bit of a sequence. It does a backwards, forwards, and then a dash. If there's something to stop it... Oh. No, it's not detecting me there. Yeah, it definitely does object avoid, but then it seems to attack. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, well, that's interesting. I should have had a look, see if it had any manufacturer details. Made in China there. Off on. Oh, I'm not seeing any manufacturer's name on it. I'll have a little search on it. I'll do a Google picture search, see if we can identify it anywhere. It is rather fun. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.